Involvement fairs are a great resource. I tabled at one last year for my sorority, and it was a great way for people to express their interest in our organization and to see if their values matched our values.
So my first year at IU, I really didn't like staying in my residence hall. I wanted to get out and explore new options. So it was really just me taking that initiative of I signed up, I went to the involvement fair, really just getting out, meeting new people.
There were so many clubs and organizations that had come out to just talk about what they do. And you can see the true passion that these individuals have.
When it comes to getting involved, every student works at their own pace. Some students will go to big involvement fairs, big call-out meetings. Others will look for flyers around campus for organizations they're interested in, or go to Be Involved to find those organizations they're interested in. But no matter what, you can always get involved whenever you feel comfortable, so that way you are working at your own pace.
Throughout the school semester, I would listen to professors bring up call-out meetings that other clubs were having within the school that I was in.
I love those little slips of paper that have like a little, phone number or like contact info on it, and just seeing, just putting my foot in the door and saying, okay, what's going on here?
One way of finding groups and organizations on campus after the involvement fair is through Be Involved. So Be Involved is a website that IU offers where all the clubs and organizations that are on campus that are registered on there can be searched up and students can find what they're looking for.
You really just have to drill it down to what you like personally. There's nothing and there's no one that's going to pressure you to come out to every single event that you signed up for. It's really about learning your interests and who you are.
There are many different ways you can get involved, such as getting involved in a lab, student organizations, or even in your residence hall. You can further challenge yourself by getting involved in leadership positions in those different student organizations, or even taking a leadership course.
Part of what I love about IU is that you can stumble upon these things, and people are very welcoming, and it's a very sort of supportive environment.
If you're shy and you're nervous about getting involved, a lot of people are in the same boat as you. So it's super easy when you have that mentality that a lot of people have gone through what you're going through or are going through what you're going through. So that makes it really easy to reach out and meet new people that way, even if you're nervous.